Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the AshleMichelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform an old pair of jeans into a nice off-the-shoulder top. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright y'all, so first I'll be using a tape measure to decide exactly where I want the neckline of the shirt to be. I decided to go with about 9 inches just to give me some wiggle room and some seam allowance because y'all already know your girl has a big head, so we definitely have to make this look big head friendly. Now I'm going to fold the jeans in half along the inseam. And if you aren't quite sure what the inseam is, it's that very thick line that runs in between your pants legs and connects them together. I'm folding it right here so that way everything will match up once I cut them. And I'm also going to be using cutting shears to make the markings for the neck hole. This part was definitely very difficult to record on camera for you all, but I got it together. I'm simply cutting out the crotch area or the middle part of your pants where the legs connect. This section is also going to be 1 inch wide, so that way we have enough room to play with. Here's what the top looks like so far. Not too bad, but we definitely have to add some details so that way it does not look like a simple DIY project. First, I'm going to cut off some of the excess fabric to make the neckline appear a little bit more symmetrical. And I'm going to open up my scissors and run them back and forth across the neckline. Now, I know this may look a little weird, but this is definitely going to help give that distressed look to the top and make it look a lot more wearable. Now I'm going to distress the pockets. First, I'm going to start by cutting horizontal slits into the pockets. I like to make my slits different sizes and lengths to create a more unique design. And after you cut your slits, open the scissors again to distress them. Make sure you are being very, very careful during this step. You guys, we do not want to lose any fingers, fingernails, or anything trying to create this amazing piece. Here is what one pocket looks like distressed versus the other one. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to add in some holes by first making a slit into the jeans. Now the size of your slit will also determine the size of the hole. And once you have your holes cut out, you want to pull and stretch them to make distressing a whole lot easier. Get it? A whole lot easier. Again, we are going to use the same technique to distress the holes as well. This was also my first time trying this technique and I loved it. It was so easy and faster than any other method that I've tried in the past to distress jeans. So definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think about this technique. And voila, here are the final results. You guys, I am so in love with how this look turned out.
Alright, you all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all definitely enjoyed it and learned something new. Also, do not forget to drop me a comment down below of what you guys thought about this look. Let me know what you guys want to see me try out next. And most importantly, do not forget to turn your post notifications on and also subscribe so that way you don't miss any of the new videos that I have coming out on my channel. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.